Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And to do so, you would hold power button and volume up at the same time and then swipe up to turn off your device. Now when the device turns off, again hold the same two buttons, power and volume up. And you're going to hold both of them till you see the Xiaomi logo, at which point let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. This will redirect us to the recovery mode, and in here, using volume buttons either up or down to navigate up or down, you want to select wipe data. Once it's selected, confirm it using your power button, select wipe all data, and confirm. This only gets like 10% or so. Now there we go, and it's already finished. So we're going to click on power button several times as it's going to go back to main menu, reboot, reboot to system, and this will now continue resetting your device in the background, which will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.